What's up, guys? This is Snow HVAC. Let's talk about Cornwell tools, uh, lithium ion soldering kit. This is JB2 13123. I think this was on for my guy was 124. But just turn it on. It's got a light. Uh, just hold it down. It's hard to do one-handed, but I'll show you. Uh, Comes with a charger. It's just a USB stand cleaner. It's got a flat edge type, and then it's got I can do shrink wrap, but not with it. Actually works pretty good. It's the chisel, whatever you call it, type. Yeah, 30-watt chisel. This is a cone. It's only been a few seconds. It's already hot. It takes a few seconds to cool back down, but there's a charging for it. It works really well. I've used it actually a couple times already. 8 seconds. Working time, I guess, total 40 minutes. 1112 degrees. Pretty hot, but takes 3 hours to charge. Like I said, I haven't charged it since I bought it. So, I mean, I don't think anybody solders for 40 minutes straight, but like I said, I'm very impressed with it. I like it better than the gas bills. I can't have those. I work at a hospital in maintenance. So this kit, like I said, I think it's 124, but I'm impressed with it. So, bring it out. I think they could do a little better job on that, but pretty pleased with it. I just want to show somebody if somebody's curious about it. Thanks, guys.